Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Vivaldi web browser on your Windows operating system. Double click on Microsoft Edge, type Vivaldi Browser. Found it first, click on this one. Do not click on anyone that says add. As you can see, this is the official website. Click on it and click on this for Windows. And we're going to wait here. Give it a few. We could run the installation from here, however, close this out. Click on Windows Explorer, click on Downloads, double click this, Vivaldi. Click Accept and Install. And it's installing Vivaldi for us. And here we are. This is Vivaldi browser. I'm gonna move this over. It created a desktop icon for us. Let's pin it to the taskbar. Right click and click pin to taskbar. The final thing is make it our default. Click on Windows, type default, and type Vivaldi. Click on it and click set default. And that's all we do. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel from the team here at Install Easy. See you next time.